So this is the unit. 11th floor, Avida Towers, Vireo, Arca South, Taguig City. And this is around 37 square meters or approximately 38 square meters, one bedroom. So pagpasok nyo, kitchen, over and under cabinets. And as you can see, the unit is in good condition, good as brand new. Again, mukhang hindi siya natirhan ng previous owner. Bathroom niya is very spacious. Shower head, water tank, closet, sink. May abang din kayo for laundry or for your washing machine. And meron siyang balcony. Ito. Facing amenity area. Ayan. Kitang-kita yung swimming pool. This is available in cash or at least 10 to 20% down payment and then 80 to 90% balance bank financing plus taxes and fees. So this is around 7.1 million regular price. Discounted price is around 6.4 million or 171,000 per square meter subject to approval. And then ito yung bedroom niya. Same view. Amenity area. Okay. So this is as is where is and first come first serve basis. If you are interested to make an offer and schedule a property showing, please message us directly. Bagong-bago po yung unit. Oh. Mukhang hindi natira ng previous owner. Parks and playground nila. Play zone. Wala silang gym dito. Function room. Andito yung gym nila. Gym. Liit lang.